Fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you'll follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our third paycheck in February and going over our last paycheck in February. If you're interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. Guys, disclaimer, I apologize for the lighting. It's going in and out. It's a little cloudy, so the sunlight is coming in and it's going out. So if the lighting changes, I really apologize, so just bear with me. So let's get started and let's see how we did. For our paycheck for February 21st through February the 27th, in our expense category, we budgeted $425 for our phone bill, $345 for our utilities, $270.82 for Chase, $142.99 for our homeowner's warranty, $115.52 for our life insurance, $37.55 for our meds, $7.62 for HP Inc., and $200 for rollover. That came up to $1,544.50. In our actual category, we paid $420 on our phone bill, which was a difference of $5. $323.33 on our utilities, which was a difference of $21.37. $270.82 on Chase, $142.99 on our homeowner's warranty, $115.52 on our life insurance, $37.55 on our meds, $7.62 on HP Inc., and $200 on rollover. That came up to $1,517.83, which was a difference of $26.37. We budgeted $630 for our cash envelopes, $580 for our sinking funds, $100 for our challenges, $100 for our backup funds, $100 for Navy Federal, and $30 for our extra money. That came up to $1,540. And in our actual category, we spent $550 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $80. $580 in our sinking funds, $100 in our savings challenges, $100 in backup, $100 to Navy Federal, and $30 in our extra backup money. That came up to $1,460, which was a difference of $80. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $3,085.25, minus the expenses of $1,544.20, minus the cash envelopes of $630, minus the sinking funds of $580, minus the savings challenge of $100, minus the backup of $100, minus the Navy Federal of $100, and minus the extra backup money of $30. That left a remainder of $1.05. In our actual category, our income was $3,092.83, which was a difference of $7.58, minus the expenses of $1,517.83, which was a difference of $26.37, minus the cash envelopes of $550, which was a difference of $80, minus the sinking funds of $580, minus the savings challenges of $100, minus the backup funds of $100, minus Navy Federal of $100, and minus our extra backup money of $30. That left a remainder of $115, which was a total savings of $113.95. In our budget from February the 28th through March the 6th, in our expense category, we budgeted $1,000 for our mortgage, $48 for our gym fee, $14.40 for Google LLC, $12.99 for Canva Pro, $12.95 for Kindle Unlimited, and $1.99 for Google Storage. That came up to $1,080.33. We budgeted $590 for our cash envelopes, $350 for our sinking funds, $100 for our savings challenges, $50 for our backup funds, $80 for Navy Federal, and $20 for our backup funds. That came up to $1,190. In our income versus our expenses, we estimated our income to be $2,290.33, minus the expenses of $1,080.33, minus the cash envelopes of $590, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenges of $100, minus the backup funds of $50, minus Navy Federal of $80, and minus the extra payment of $20. That left a remainder of $20. So fam, we did save quite a bit last week. And that is because we did not use all of our grocery money last week. I did do a lot of meat shopping the week before, so I didn't have to buy as much meat this week. And we did not use all of our gas money. So that is where we're at on our budget. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. I'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.